Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today I tried something a little bit wild. I poured V8 energy on a whole chicken and roasted it. I drink V8 all the time, but using it in a recipe, that's the first. Watch to see how it turned out. Was it surprisingly delicious or a total fail? Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more kitchen experiments and creative recipes. To get this recipe started, we're going to add half can of V8 into our small size bowl. Next, we're going to add our low sodium soy sauce, extra virgin olive oil, now we are going to combine those ingredients. Now we are going to add our dry ingredients into the bowl. So if you guys are interested in making this recipe, please check the description box for a list of ingredients used. So this recipe came about sometimes last week, guys. I was thinking about what to do with a whole chicken that I had for about 2 weeks, and I was drinking a can of V8 and I was like, this is the best idea to use my V8 drink on my whole chicken to make my marinade. So that's how I improvised and came up with this recipe. So just now we are going to add our marinade onto the chicken just like that. We're going to soak the chicken into that beautiful, delicious marinade. Make sure it's fully covered. Then we're going to set the chicken to marinate overnight. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the chicken looks like, guys. It came out so delicious, fully marinated, as you guys can see. We're going to get ready to place this chicken into our baking tray. So these energy drink taste so natural, so flavorful. So if you guys decide to make this recipe, check out the different flavors that they have. So after baking this chicken, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It came out so delicious, guys, surprisingly delicious, not a total fail. And this is what the chicken looks like. It was so flavorful, the color was just right, and it was delicious. So I went ahead and poured the marinade onto the chicken, and this is what it looks like, full of flavor, so juicy. You can serve it with some veggies, some rice, whatever you guys like. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.